Node.js Engineer Salaries, Complete Data. By Procoders. Wondering how much you should pay for quality Node.js developer salaries? If you're looking to hire Node.js developers on a contract, the world offers you many choices. Software developers, programmers, and developers are available in nearly every country around the globe, waiting to be hired for your next project. But Node.js developers are a special breed, requiring specialized expertise. You should not only prepare Node.js interview questions, but also think about factors you should consider when you estimate Node.js developer salary for your outstaffing needs. We'll break some of the issues down for you. Node Salaries Market Trends. As a relatively new platform, there isn't much in the way of historical data for average Node.js developers' salaries. But Node.js has quickly become one of the world's most popular networks. Developers have embraced the advantages of Node.js, and as a consequence, expertise on the platform is in demand as well. Node.js developer average salary, depending on experience. A Node.js developer salary can vary widely, as well as salaries for Node.js engineers, as much as 50% based on how long the candidate has been working with the platform. This graphic from ZipRecruiter.com shows the span those positions can take in the United States, from junior-level coders to senior-level software engineers. Take the numbers, for instance, for the Node.js engineer salary. At $132,000, Node.js engineer salary is higher than all the others, based on the superior level of experience required. Node.js developer average salary, depending on countries. When setting your development budget, Node.js engineers' salaries can depend on where your developers are from, maybe the most important criteria of all. The reason is simple: the cost of living varies widely around the world, and that affects the average Node.js developer's salary. And even though Node.js experts are highly sought after, their salaries do vary widely depending on where they are based. Node.js developer average salary, depending on regions. IT talent often congregates in major cities, where clusters of companies needing talent also tend to be. The increased cost of living in these cities tends to drive up costs considerably, sometimes as much as 20%. What else could affect the salary? Market demand, experience level, education, and location will always be the primary drivers that set prices for IT talent. But there are other factors that can make one Node.js developer more valuable on the open market than the next, including their grasp of development tools like Node Package Manager, NPM, and Grunt. Ability to work with the trickier systems issues, like juggling user authentication and authorization between multiple systems and servers. Understanding of how to make programs scale. Demonstrated experience working in agile and lean methodologies. Overall project management expertise. Where to find appropriate Node.js developers, cost and quality. If you have a position for contract talent, there's no shortage of job boards where you can post your listing. But if you go this route, there's a fair chance you'll get resumes from many different cities and regions. We recommend seeking talent through companies like Procoders, who not only can vet your contract hires for their skill levels, but can offer you the talent you need at half the cost of the UK or US-based companies. Our Ukraine-based talent pool is English-speaking and well-versed in all the major languages and platforms you need to meet all your project milestones. Conclusion. As you can see, where and how you hire Node.js programming talent will have a big on your next development project. There are benefits to having your outstaffed team available to you in your market. But the cost and time savings of hiring contract programmers in lower-cost markets like Ukraine often outweigh those considerations. A hire in countries where the cost of living is low can cut your costs by about half. And when you choose a company that can facilitate the hiring process for you, like Procoders, you can assemble a highly qualified team in as little as 2 to 3 weeks, with a minimum of onboarding headaches. Subscribe our channel and read more about Node.js engineer salaries, complete data at Procoders blog.